Hi all, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll be going to tell you what other things that we have on Workbench. So I've already told you how you can do a query using Workbench. I have also told you how you can do insert, update, upsert, all these features under data. I have told you migration also. I have told you like how to deploy using Workbench, how to retrieve, right? Even in fact in utilities we have Apex execute, which I've told you how to do execute anonymous code using Workbench. So most of the details I've told you now from Workbench. In this video what I'll be going to tell you what other things that we have on Workbench. Okay, and in other things what is most important or what I would prefer to use Workbench is it helps in getting the relationships basically between the objects. Okay, as an example I'll tell you. Okay, let's say I have you must be knowing that we have opportunity object, right? So what I'm doing is like, let's say I am querying an opportunity. Okay, let's say I want to make a query and I am just doing this query on Workbench. So I have 31 opportunity records which I got using Workbench. Now what I have to do, I have to get some other object details from opportunity. Let's say there is some other object, there must be some lookup relationship, right, from opportunity object to some other object, and I want to fetch the details in this query, right, using Workbench. Now I want to know how to form that particular query. So for that what you have to do is you have to go here info and you have to go to standard and custom objects. Just click on this and you will get this option, right? You will see that object is opportunity and you will see here fields. Okay, now for the fields, okay, if you, let's say this is the field. Now let's say there is some lookup field, right? For that lookup field which you have to, let me go to some object here. Okay, I'll go to opportunities. Okay, so I'll go to the fields of this opportunity object. Okay, so just to find out like which are the all lookup fields we have on account on opportunity. So we have a lookup to account here, right? Lookup to account. So now and lookup to user also, right? Let's say now I want to find some details from account and user object. So because I know already, right, Workbench. So what I will do is like I can directly say here. Okay, I can directly say here created by dot name. Okay, so what it will give me, this query will give me like who has created this particular record. Okay, because parent relationships are disabled, so I will just quickly enable those settings first. Relationships we cannot query, and we have to go to Workbench and we have the settings here, allow SOQL parent. Once I will do this, I can run these relationship queries in Workbench. Okay, now this will run created by .name. So if we see created by .name, we got Salesforce org. So Salesforce org user has created these particular opportunity records. Okay, now coming back to the details that we were discussing. So we will go to opportunity object, we'll go to fields, okay, and we'll go to lookup object, which is account. Okay, so if we see here, lookup to account is the field is account name, right? Account. Okay, so this is the particular field here. Okay, so this is the field and the relationship is account. So what you have to do, so you have to here write here account dot name. Okay, so relationship is account and we have to get name also from the account object. So this will work, account dot name. So account dot name will give the opportunities account name, account basically, right? And similarly we have find it out like what other field we have is lookup to user, right? And lookup to user and field is owner. And here we will, if we'll go here, we can see this is the owner ID field, right? The owner ID and relationship name is owner. So this is the relationship name. So what you have to do is, again you can do right here owner dot name. So basically it will give you the detail of the user here, owner dot name. Okay, so owner dot name basically will give you the name of the particular user, right? So this is how you can build the queries. So right now we have just standard fields, so so this is what we can use using the Workbench tool. Okay, as an example, Okay, this is one, this is one advantage of using workbench. And again, you can see all the child relationships that we have on this object, right? This is just one place where you can see all the child relationships on the opportunity object, or any object basically you can see, right? So if we say not parent ID, so okay, so we have a relationship basically with nodes object with the name as relationship nodes here. So you can again form a a relationship query here, and you can get details from nodes object as well. Okay, in the next particular video I'll be going to tell you how you can build inbuilt inner queries using workbench. So guys, in this video I have told you, how to do use workbench and how you can create or build your own relationship queries. In the next video I'll be going to tell you how you can make inner queries using workbench. This is again an advantage of using workbench tool. So guys, if you like my video, please do not forget to subscribe my channel, and you will get the latest updates in my whenever I'll post my next video. Thank you. Thanks guys. Thanks for watching this video.